Hello everyone, this is Neelam Sharma. Welcome to Codetech Hub, your IT center. Let's move to the Unit 1 Basic Programs in C++. Here you will see the addition of two integer values, addition of decimal values, conversion of centimeter to meter values and use of a single variable. Addition of two integer values. The value of A is 30, the value of B is 90 and the value of C is 120, which is the addition of A and B. It is a very simple and mathematical procedure. You will be able to do same procedure in C++ by some codings. But in programming language, the most important thing is that declaration of variable. Variable is the most important thing for any program. Be focused in the box. There is a int is a data type and ABC are the variables. जब भी आपको कोई भी वेरिएबल का डिक्लेरेशन करना है तब हमें किसी न किसी डेटा टाइप की नीड होती है. डेटा टाइप्स वो होते हैं जो वेरिएबल की वैल्यू को डिफाइन करते हैं. I have used here integer data type. Integer is a common data type which is widely used in general programming and in specific computing. Integer is defined as a number which has no fractional component. The integer data type stores whole number. That means we can add any number by the integer data type in any length. For the practice of this program, let's move to the Dev C++. Now we are in Dev C++ window. In my previous video, I have given a complete introduction of Dev C++. So please check out that. Now click on File, New, Source File. A new file will appear. Start coding. Hash include IO stream. This is a header file which will execute whole program. Using namespace std is an identifier will execute the functions and differentiate the same function. मीन्स प्रोग्रामिंग के अंदर कोई सेम फंक्शन अगर यूज होगा तो उसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे और जितने भी फंक्शंस हम यूज करेंगे उन फंक्शंस को भी ये डिफरेंशिएट करेगा. int main function body will work between the curly bracket. Be focused in the fifth line. Int is a data type. A, B, C are the three variables. Cout, it is a output operator which will display any statement on the output window. Enter the first number. Semicolon. Semicolon is the statement terminator operator. Cin is a input operator. We can input any variable by the cin operator. Again, cout. Enter the second number. Cin B. Here I have stored A variable and B variable for the two statement. A के लिए enter the first number और B के लिए होगा enter the second number. Now C equals to A plus B. I have applied a condition on C variable and the condition is that the sum of A and B will be the value of C. Again I will use cout prompt for the C variable. The sum of A and B. The sum of A and B is C. Return 0. The program is completed. Please look at the 11th line. There is a C. Whenever you have applied a condition on the variable, so you have to write that variable with insertion point. C पर एक कंडीशन अप्लाई है कि C क्या होगा, A और B का सम होगा. सो हम उस वैल्यू को प्रिंट करवाना चाहते हैं. सो जब भी आपको कोई भी वैल्यू प्रिंट करवानी है या किसी भी वेरिएबल पर कंडीशन अप्लाइड है, दैट टाइम यू हैव टू राइट दैट वेरिएबल विथ इंसर्शन पॉइंट. Now click on save file, save as. You can give any name. I am giving my file name to aid.cpp. aid.cpp is the extension of C++ file. Look at here, my file has saved 8.cpp. अब मेरी फाइल का नाम है 8.cpp. cpp क्या है? C++ फाइल का एक्सटेंशन. After saving, we have to compile our program. क्योंकि C++ के अंदर प्रोग्राम्स कंपाइल होते हैं, इंटरप्रेट नहीं होते हैं. For the compilation, click on execute, click on compile. Compilation is completed. Compilation result is there. Error is 0. Warning is 0. That means मेरे इस प्रोग्राम में किसी भी टाइप का एरर नहीं है. So मैं easily इस प्रोग्राम को रन कर सकती हूँ. Click on execute, click on run. Now we are in output window and the first statement is showing there. Enter the first numbers. I am entering any number. Enter the second number. I am entering any number. The sum of A and B is 555. Please check your programming. On the 6th line, there is a one statement. Enter the first number. So you can see the enter the first number. On the 8th line, there is another statement. Enter the second number. Enter the second number. On the 11th line, the sum of A and B, the sum of A and B is that. So सी आउट प्रॉम्प्ट के साथ हम जो भी स्टेटमेंट लिखेंगे वो स्टेटमेंट हमेशा आउटपुट विंडो पर डिस्प्ले होगा. I hope you got all the information about addition of two integer values. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.